Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Pamela, and this channel is all about natural hair, skincare, lifestyle, and every other thing in between. Today's video is all about my no foundation makeup routine because I can't really do so much makeup. So the things I'm going to be needing is my brown pencil. I use two pencils, the black pencil and the brown pencil. I can't remember the particular shade, but make sure your pencils are well sharpened. Then I also use an air wax to lay my eyebrows. I use this Bobbi Brown spoolie brush and it works perfectly for my eyebrows. This is how the gel looks like. I do not use a lot, just a little, so that it does not turn white or flaky. I actually use the air wax to shape my brows so I can get like the definite shape I want. So on days where I don't actually want to use an eyebrow pencil, I just shape my brows like this with the air wax and I'm good to go. Next up, I start with the black pencil. I use the black pencil towards the tail to create that nice brow feel. I know a lot of people go for like this feathered look for their brows, but I actually don't like the feathered look. I prefer my brows to be thick and defined just like this. I don't know, it just works for my look and it really helps me to create batch content. Then I use the brown pencil for the beginning part so it is not so bulky. I use my hands to like clean out the beginning part to like give it the perfect shape that I want, and I also go in with wipes to clean it up to make it look better. So this is the before, this is the after. I use a wipes to clean off the excesses around so that I do not like have marks on other parts of my face except at my brows. Then I ensure to just check that the shape is how I want it to be, and I repeat the same process for the next brow. Once I'm done with the second brow, I touch up the two brows with a brown pencil and I use my spoolie brush to brush out the beginning part. I'm not done with my brows yet. I have one more thing that I add to my brows. So I use this highlighter, like the gold shimmers, underneath my brows to give it a defined look, especially underneath the arc. It just really works perfectly for me. I've been using this arc for like over a year plus now, and notice how I'm also using my finger to apply it, so it is not so much and it is not really noticeable. I'm really excited to be done with the brows. Now I'm going to the lips. For the lip part, I start off with this strawberry flavored lip balm to moisturize my lip. Actually, applying only this lip balm, I'm good to go. But I decided to show you my entire routine. So I go in next with the brown pencil to line the bottom part of my lips so that my lips can look plump than usual. This is like one thing I always do, and I also line the upper part, although this is not really necessary, but with these two combinations you are good to go. You can like go out just like this. This is how I can go out on a normal day, but if I'm creating batch content, I also use a lipstick, this peach or is it pink colored lipstick. It is from a brand called Caricte and it is in the number 6. I'm not really sure I pronounced this right, but one thing I also don't like is my upper part having like this pink feel, so I always go in with my brown pencil to shade it out, although you can use like your finger to like just take out the lipstick part on the upper part, but this is just how I really like it. Then to finish it up, I use the highlighter once again on my cupid bow. It is not really necessary, it is not even a compulsory step, but it is something I do at times. Few times I do it, and today that I did it, I went a little bit overboard, but I was able to correct it and I'm going to show you how. So that's all of my no foundation makeup routine. If you'll be trying it out, let me know in the comment section down below, or if you found one or two things helpful, just let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to also give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps with engagement. Share this video with others so at least today we can get it to 100 views. Please subscribe, it is completely free, and ensure to check out my Instagram page at FHB by Pam. The link is in the description box down below for daily content. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye guys.